Hi there, welcome to High5 Education. Join and excel with us. Let's talk about theme in literature. So what is theme? Theme is the central message or main idea of a story. It's the lesson or meaning the author wants to convey. It is different from the plot or topic. It usually focuses on universal ideas about life, human nature, or society. Let's try to determine the theme in this activity. Read the quotations, match each one with the theme or lesson it suggests. Let's try another one. See you next time. Thank you for watching. We truly love you all. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Leave a comment and share it to make it viral. Let's spread learning everywhere.